Gentlemen, it's your boy Zeno Xaviers here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Undyne Noteblock doorbell, since I could not find any others online. I mean, what the hell? We have Megalovania. Why not Undyne the Undying? So here it is. Alright, the last two are down that low because Noteblocks cannot go up that high yet. I hope that in the next update they will be changed. Anywho, let's get right into the tutorial. I will go 6 at a time and check per 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one will be 21. Next one will be 23. Next one will be 16. Next one will be 18. Next one will be 14. Next one will be 11. Alright, now I'm just going to use oak wood planks. It does not matter what you use for this section right here. And then I will place down a few redstone repeaters. I will set this one to a 3-tick delay. 3-tick delay. 3-tick delay. 3-tick delay. No tick delay. And then I will extend this out to 2. Bring 1, crack that, put a button, put a redstone, and alright. So let's move on to the next 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. So we left off on 11, so next would be 19. 14. 21. 14. 13. 9. Alright. So next I will fill in with whatever block that you want. I'll place redstone repeaters. Come on, come on. 3-tick delay. 3-tick. 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 No tick. And play from the beginning. Alright. So I will now start from this side. Going 6. Alright. So we last ended on 9, so we will start off with 21. 23. 16. 18. 14. 11. 'Alright, we're going to go ahead and fill it in. Alright, so from here, it'll be 3-tick delay, 3-tick, 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 no tick. Alright, and then the last one will only have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we ended off on 11, so we will have 19. 14. 21. 2. 1. Alright, and then we'll fill in. 2. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. None. Now, I think that if you want to do this, I think I might want to do this right. You could do this on the. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, comment on any more, and I will see you all in the next video.